Hi, it's me, Carla Bolivar again, and one of the things that I like to do when we're learning or we're introducing anything new to the children is try to see if we can demonstrate it in every learning area, every learning domain. Uh, Earlier we had library where we read the book with the one-on-one correspondence, one fish, two birds, and we counted the objects out. We also demonstrated manipulative. That's a very commonplace for you to identify math. But we can also do it in science as well. Right here we have magnets, and I have one magnet to one paper clip. I have one red magnet to one red paper clip. Inside of these, the reason why I say paper clip, we have paper clips inside of the paper. It's very easy for you to make. You just put paper clips in there. You can staple it, stick it with glue. However, it's easier for you. Put it in science area. It's very easy for the kids to just go in there and explore on their own. But that is a good way to demonstrate one-on-one correspondence, in the science area. Then we have the housekeeping area. As you can see, I'd already laid it out for you guys. But we have all different colors. We have blue, red, green, and yellow. It's a good way to show. You can count. Well, how many cups do I see? I see 4. If you want to, you mix it up a little bit, have them all mixed up, and then the children have to match it by color. It's a good way for continuous learning, ongoing. Every child learns at a different level, at a different pace. Some children are coming in, and something as simple as matching colors, we can work at this. We can work on this first, and then we can count how many objects is there. So 1 fork for 1 plate, 1 cup for 1 plate. Something real easy and simple that we can work on in the science area. And then over here we have just real simple. It's really for art, but we have these sentences strips, and I don't know if you can see very well, but we have the numbers on the sentences strips. We have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right here I have the dots. The kids they love to play with the dots. So let's say for number 1, how many dots are we going to put there? We're going to put 1 dot. How many dots are we going to put right there? Because what number is this? This is the number 2. So I'm going to put 2 dots. I see the number 3. How many dots am I going to put right there? 1, 2, 3. Oh, then I see number 4. How many dots would I put? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the thing that I like the most about these kind of activities is that we can always date it, and we can always show as demonstration that the child understands the concept of the activity. This is a very good way of showing one-on-one correspondence. Used for counting, use the numbers, identify the numbers, and let's count the dots. Like I said, very easy, very simple. Put a lot of sentences strips in your art area, and it would be a very good activity for the children to do. So like I said, hopefully this would be helpful to you guys. I encourage for the children and the teachers to kind of use open-ended questions while they're doing the activities. How many, how much? Let's see, if I take this one away, if I put it back. It's always good to get to spark that imagination in their mind, spark that thinking. So like I said, hopefully this would be helpful to you. Thank you so much, and have a good day.